everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year. Oh my god, I can't believe we are in 2019 already. So in today's video I decided to play with my clip-in extensions from To All My Black Girls, and I've actually used them in the past, and I'm pretty sure that you guys seen a couple of my videos using those clip-in extensions. So yeah, that's what I came up with, and I know that I've done like a similar hairstyle before, but that was with, you know, my braiding hair and not the clip-in extension. So I just love how it blends perfectly with my natural hair. It looks real, right? It looks real. Anyways, but I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this whole look. And before I do, I just want to thank Sandbird for collaborating with me in this video. So if you guys don't know what Sandbird is a subscription service for luxury fragrances. So they pretty much send you each month a 30-day supply of fragrance of your choice. They have like over 500 luxury fragrances from Tom Ford to Versace and Dolce & Gabbana and many more. So they've been nice enough to send me 3 fragrances, and I love, you know, the bag. So here's what it looks like. It's velvety, it's like so cute. So I have the blue one, the gold one, and the white one, and how it works is pretty much you just have to twist it, and this is where the liquid comes out. Just pour a little bit, and it smells so good. And once you're done, just twist it back in. Voila. And if you want to check how much you have left, just in case, you know, you use a lot like I do, you just pull it out, and there, 0.27 ounce, and it's the equivalent of 140 plus sprays. Every month is enough to me. So all you have to do is pull it out just to check, and pull it back in and twist it back, and that's all. You pretty much have to pay $14.95 per month, and I know it's a little bit pricey, but I feel like it's honestly worth it because these are luxury fragrances and these are not cheap at all, and they last for a month, so it's perfect. So every month you have to pay $14.95 to pick a fragrance of your choice. You can carry it everywhere to the airport and won't have to deal with people like maybe throwing your favorite perfume away because hey, there's too much liquid and stuff like that. I've had it for a couple of days now, and everywhere I go, like, I have people telling me that I smell really good. It doesn't take that much room, and if you guys want $1 off, you just have to use my coupon code, which is ReyRey, R-E-Y to have 30% off. So make sure you guys use that. I will list everything down below. I just feel like you guys should try it out, and make sure you use my coupon code for 30% off. I'm gonna go back to my video and showing you guys how I achieved this cute hairstyle right here. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so to slick my hair down, I'm gonna divide my hair into 2 sections, and mind you, my hair is already detangled here, or it would have taken me hours. So I'm gonna use my Denman brush, and if you guys, by the way, don't have one, then it's time for you to get one, because it does not only make your curls much more defined but also detangles my knots without ripping all my hair out. It honestly works like magic. So to achieve this slick look, I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections once again and really detangle every section before adding it to my ponytail. Once I've reached the top section, I'm going to create my side part as usual, add my Eco Styler gel, and going back and forth between the Denman brush and my bristle brush. I'm gonna let you guys watch. Without forgetting my rat tail comb to lay my edges. Once all my hair is slicked down, I'm going to wear this satin scarf for a good 20 minutes, and this is what it should look like. For the ponytail, I'm going to use my clip-ins from To All My Black Girls. You guys seen me use it many times, and I've used about like 3 clip-ins in total, depending on how puffy you want your ponytail to be. And these clip-ins are Kinky Coarse. I will list everything in the DB down below as usual. And to hide the track, I'm going to get a little bit of hair and wrap it around, then use a bobby pin to secure it. Now moving on to the ponytail, I'm gonna grab random piece of hair, create a 2-strand twist, then add these silver rings to it. And after installing the silver rings, I'm just gonna tease the clip-ins a little bit, and you should be done.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe as well and click on the bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.